Hi, this is Anna, and you're on the Crochetclubstore channel. Decide on the size of the pom-pom you want. Remember, the finished pom-pom will be slightly smaller than the diameter of your circle. Place your glass or mug upside down on the cardstock. Trace around with a pen or pencil to create a perfect circle. Use scissors to cut 2 circles from the cardstock. Cut a smaller hole in the center of each circle. This will make it easier to wrap the yarn. Begin by inserting a strand of yarn through the center holes of the cardboard circles. Consistently wrap the yarn around the cardboard, passing through the central hole and around the outer edge. The more yarn you wrap, the denser and fluffier your pom-pom will be. Cutting the thread. With both cardboard circles held firmly together, insert your scissors between the 2 layers. Carefully start cutting the yarn along the outer edge of the cardboard. Ensure the middle section remains intact and held together during this process. Cut a separate, longer piece of yarn. Gently slide this strand between the 2 pieces of cardboard and tie it tightly around the middle part of the wrapped yarn, making a tight knot. This step will ensure that all the strands of yarn stay in place. Once securely tied, gently remove the cardboard circles, trim and shape the pom-pom to achieve a symmetrical and round appearance. Fluff it up by rolling it gently between your palms. For a more precise ball shape, you can trim the pom-pom with scissors. And there you have it, a homemade, fluffy pom-pom, ready to adorn any kid's hat or accessory of your choice. Experiment with various colors, sizes, and textures to create your unique pom-poms. Now let's attach our pom-pom to the baby beanie. To do this, thread the remaining long tails of yarn through the outside of the hat. Tie it in a knot. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and see you soon.